Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video I just want us to expand to learn how or to apply the skills of expansions of Surds. Expand and simplify if possible. And of course, we are having root 2 bracket 5 minus root 3. And what we have here is root 2 is common. You just multiply each and every term in the bracket because whatever is out here is affecting each term that is inside. So root 2 times 5 is 5 root 2. Root 2 times minus root 3 is actually minus root 6. So, and that is just going to be it because we cannot simplify further than that. So we are having 5 root 2 minus root 6, and that is the end of the story. Come to B, we have again two terms. We have two brackets, each one of them having two terms. And again, if we remember the application of the FOIL, whereby first, meaning that one and that one, outer 2 and root 3, inner minus root 3 and 5, and last root 3 and root 3. And that is that order. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times root 3, and this is a plus, we have plus 2 root 3. Root 3 negatives times 5, we have minus 5 the root of 3. And then negative root 3 times positive root 3 is negative root 9, and root 9 is a perfect square. It means minus 3. In other words, if you remember what we said about the root a times root of a is actually a, other than talking about the root of a squared and then subjecting a squared under the square root, it's simply a itself. Because we would expect that, let me just explain something. After I finish this. So minus root 3 times root 3 is simply minus 3. That means now we can collect the like terms. 10 minus 3 is 7. 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3 is minus 3 root 3. And that is it. Before I leave this page, I will have to explain the root of a times the root of a is equals to, we can talk about the root of a times the root of a. You can talk about the root of a squared, because of a times a is a squared, and both of them were under the root, so the root of a squared. But we already know that the root is a raised to power a half. So a squared, again, raised to power a half. 2 times a half is simply 1, because these 2 will cancel with a 2, and then we'll have a raised to power 1, which is just a. So generally, when we are talking about the root of a times the root of a, it's simply a. We have bypassed all this because it's rather automatic. Thank you, and let us meet in the next video.